Hey there, I'm Douglas from Draftbit. Today we're going to be looking at the request review action. This is a great way to ask users to rate and review your application. Let's get into it. The request review action prompts users to leave a rating or review when available. It opens a native review model on their device. If not, it falls back to a store URL, directing users to the App Store or Play Store. Keep in mind this action won't work inside the Draftbit preview. It only works on exported and built applications. So, when you're using an application, for example, you've downloaded Instagram, you've downloaded WhatsApp, and they ask you to rate the application. A model pops up inside the application, and you're able to rate it from within the application without leaving the application. And we're saying that there's a fallback URL in the event that we don't have this model popping up. We take you to the Play Store, and then you can rate it that way. So how do we add this to the screen? First, we're going to add a button. And this button, I'm going to call it Rate Us. So usually it's not a button, it's just a pop-up that appears after you've used an application for some time. So Rate Us, then we're going to add a bit of padding. Okay, that looks good. Then we're going to go to the button. Then we're going to go to the on-press event handler. Then in the action editor, we're going to search for request review. Then once it's there, we're going to click add. So by default, by doing this, it starts to actually work. But then we need to add a fallback URL. So this is the fallback App Store URL. So this is for iOS devices. You actually have to put the URL of where your application is going to be stored. So you're going to put it's going to be like https www.apps.apple.com. Then you're going to put the app ID. So as you can see here, then this is for the Google Play Store. Then this is for the web. But by default, this is going to try and open a pop-up where you can rate the app. Then you're going to, if we're saying that if the pop-up is not available, you're going to be redirected to the App Store, the Google Store, or the Web Store. So yeah, unfortunately, we can't really test this inside the editor. As you can see here, it says, note, this action cannot be tested in Draftbit and will only work on exported and built applications. And I guess that's it. Encouraging users' reviews can help boost your application's credibility and ranking. Try it out in your Draftbit projects and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you in the next video.